In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect domain from Squarespace. If you're moving your website, changing providers, or just tidying up your setup, disconnecting a domain simply breaks the link between your Squarespace site and that domain. It doesn't delete your site or cancel a domain registration you own. It just stops the domain from pointing to this site. Start by opening your Squarespace website and heading to your site's dashboard. Once you're there, look for the area highlighted in your interface that opens your website settings. Click that to access the settings panel, where you can manage everything related to your site. In the settings, find and open domains and email. This is where Squarespace groups domain connections, DNS controls, and email-related settings. Next, go into the section labeled something like Register and Manage Domains from Squarespace or Other Domain Sellers. This page lists all domains connected to your site, whether they were purchased through Squarespace or connected from a third-party registrar. Find the domain you want to remove from this site. You'll see a placeholder like example.net in many demonstrations, but you'll choose the domain that's currently linked to your website. Click the domain to open its details. On the Domain Details page, look for the option labeled Disconnect Domain. Click it once. Squarespace will show a confirmation prompt so you can review what this change means. Confirm by clicking Disconnect Domain again. After you confirm, the domain will no longer point to this Squarespace site. Visitors who use that domain won't reach the site anymore, and your site may revert to its built-in Squarespace address. This action doesn't cancel a domain registration you own with Squarespace or another provider. It only removes the connection. If your domain was connected from an external registrar, your DNS records remain managed there, but they'll no longer route to this site until you reconnect or update them to a new destination. A few quick tips before you finish. If you use email tied to this domain, make sure your MX records are set correctly with your email provider so your mail continues to flow as expected. It's wise to disconnect during low traffic hours to minimize any impact on visitors. And if you change your mind later, you can come back to the same domains and email area and reconnect the domain using the usual connection flow. That's it. Clean, quick, and reversible.